And as world is getting into the global village and geography is fast becoming history, and I am seeing this perspective from the placement point of view and from the point of view of the jobs and yes, and another avenue and field for the new generation. As you know, there's a lot of resources in the world which is still untapped, because I don't know anything about many of the African countries, and many of the African countries doesn't know about my culture, which is 5000, is the oldest civilization, Indian civilization. So there is a lot of work which has to be done. And as world is getting into the global village and geography is fast becoming history, and as Virender sir has said, that it is the machine learning and it is the internet is cutting across all the sections of the society. And because of the economy in the world, the countries like China, Japan, Korea, India, Germany, and yes, the oil-rich countries, Middle East countries, have come to the forum where the business is being, woven across these places. And because of this, the language like Chinese, Japanese, Arabic, Russian, and Hindi have come to the forefront of the world, and is creating a lot of ripples into the job market of the translators, because there is a lot of work which is going on the legal fronts. There's a lot of work which is going on the health and the medicine. There's a lot of work even going on in the engineering field, even in the finance, as well as in the marketing field. So the people who have to become the translator, first of all, must have the love for the language and the deep knowledge of the languages, because it is not that a person will get only the translation from Hindi to English or English to Hindi. So he should not think that knowing 2, 3, 4, 5 languages will make him a good translator, because ye tapasya hai. Mean in this he has to keep on learning, because there is no end to it, and one should always go ahead with this.